On the home screen, click on the settings icon. Then scroll down and click on the setting system menu. Click on the system option. And then here you scroll down and click on add-ons. And then next scroll to click on unknown sources. Then when you see this, click yes. Then go back to the home screen. On the home screen, click on the settings icon again. And then this time click on file manager. And then here you click on add source. Click on add source. And then here you click on unknown. And then at this point you have to enter the URL that will allow you to install DIGGZ XENON app on your DIGGZ XENON. So enter it accurately. Make sure you cross-check it to avoid errors. Triple check, double check, and then after that you click OK. Then click OK. Then click OK. Now go back to the home screen. On the home screen, then click on the settings icon again, the gear icon. Click on it, and then here click on add-ons, and then scroll down and click on install from zip file. Now click on DIGGZ repo. DIGGZ repo. Now click on that, and then wait for the repository to be set up. And then next you have to click on install from repository. Let's click on install from repository. Now click on DIGGZ repo. Now at this point, scroll down and click on program and add-ons. Program and add-ons, click on it. Now click on Chef Omega Wizard. Now click on install. Now click OK. Now click on Chef Omega Wizard and wait for it to initiate and complete. Now click close. Click close. So once you click close, you will get this dialog box that will appear on your screen. Now click, it depends on you. If you want now, well, I will choose the remind me later, and then here click on Chef Omega Wizard. Before then, I will get another notification. Then I will click on Chef Omega Wizard, which now will take me to where I will properly get the DIGGZ XENON build. So now click on open, and then here you will see the build menu list, build menu maintenance. Click on build menu, and then here once you click on build menu, you will see the list of build within this. So we are installing this DIGGZ AIO plus burst version, right? So you can choose anyone here. These are the list, but we are choosing this one. So click on it, and then wait for it to initiate, and then properly go ahead. Click continue, and then wait for it to properly complete, and then that's it. So follow these steps, and it's quite straightforward, and then you will be seeing yourself having this particular build on your device. It's quite easy, so you follow the step I did on this video, step-by-step guide, and then let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I will be willing to assist you without much issues. See you guys in the next one. So subscribe, and then if you want, if you don't like, it's okay, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section. That's all for now. So see you guys on my next one. Thank you.